What's up, everybody? This is Rex Gaming here, and today for you guys, I got a Halo Banished Turret review, Halo Infinite, new game. So yeah. Alright, starting off, we have a Grunt here, Banished Grunt. He comes with a plasma pistol. This is the big boy, the Halo turret. I did buy 2 of these. I got one for Christmas, and I bought one. So yeah. This is it. The turrets do move up and down. So yeah. And the turret does do a 360 no scope. So yeah, and I'm a huge fan of these orange shields. So yeah, I wasn't really a fan of Halo 5's turrets, but they were fine. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I know this one was kind of short. So, yeah. So if you guys did enjoy this video, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.